Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an electric bubble gun. First, carefully unbox your new electric bubble gun and confirm all parts are present. Locate the battery compartment, usually on the handle, and insert the necessary batteries, often 4 AA batteries, ensuring correct polarity. Next, prepare the bubble solution reservoir by making sure it is clean and free of any debris. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable bubble blowing experience right from the start. Now let's get to the fun part, filling the solution. Carefully pour the bubble solution into the provided tray or directly into the gun's reservoir if applicable. Make sure not to overfill it. Typically, filling it about 1/2 to 2/3 full is ideal. Then, gently dip the bubble gun's nozzle into the solution, ensuring the bubble-making holes are completely submerged. This step primes the gun for producing a fantastic stream of bubbles. With the solution loaded, you are ready to create a cascade of bubbles. Hold the bubble gun firmly and aim it safely away from people's faces and eyes. When you are ready, simply press and hold the trigger. You will hear the fan activate, and within moments, a continuous stream of bubbles will emerge. Release the trigger to pause the bubble flow, allowing you to control the fun and conserve your bubble solution effectively. To ensure your electric bubble gun lasts for many adventures, proper cleaning and storage are key. After you finish playing, always empty any leftover bubble solution from the tray or reservoir. Use a slightly damp cloth to gently wipe down the gun's exterior, removing any sticky residue. Finally, store your bubble gun in a dry, cool place, away from direct sunlight, to protect its components and keep it ready for the next bubble-filled occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.